flush down. That's it. You want to get flushed down the toilet?
Oh, we're gonna flush the toilet. Let's see.
Can you believe that?
Oh, honey.
Yeah, good job!
Trying to feed her butternut squash.
Blueberry?
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Peekaboo. And you go poop? You farting?
Get him! Oh, get him! Oh.
Does he like it? Oh. He loves it.
Oh, now the camera's out, you don't want to do it? Now the camera's out, you don't want to do it? Huh? Oh.
Nom 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 nom.
I'm her pride and joy.
Oh, wow.
You want to talk to Daddy?
Adriana, here it comes.
Where you going? Hello? Oh! what are you doing?
Buddy,
Why are you kicking Daddy?
you can't eat these. We're chunky.
Have you seen Dada's chocolate cake? No? Did you eat Dada's chocolate cake? No?
Daisy, what's that noise?
You're silly.
Super baby.
Let me see. Super
That's shoulder move. Dance, Ethan. Good dancing.
Are you hungry?
Look, look, look. She's feeding on his face. Oh my gosh.
Do you take your cracker? I wish I had her eyes. Sorry, it's clocked on.
Hi. Oh. Oh.
Quinn.
Banana.
Nani?
Your turn. All right, Tyler, you want some broccoli? Whales!
Hey.
Achoo.
Love this game. Oh, the good! Yay! Good job! What? I'm not doing anything.
Close the door! Close the door! Baby, close the door!
What are you doing? Henry! Carly.
I love mom. I love mom.
Gonna tell her? Oh, jeez. To the office. He said, I don't want it. Why are you rolling his eyes?
Anything to say today?
Just doing a quick workout.
Look at that. Do you like it? Mommy said no! Oh, God!
Charlize, you got it. You know you do. Show Mama your biggest smile that you got. Your biggest one. Show me.
You ready for it? Ready?
What did you do? What did you do?
So this is a head scratcher. What else are you thinking about? Because you're obviously thinking, oh, he just put his middle finger up. That's what you're thinking about.
What does Daddy say? Give me a chew!
What noises does your mama make in the bathroom?
Oh, gross.
Can you tell your daddy hello? Can you tell your...
Hey, it's Mickey. That's Mickey. That's just Mickey.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
I don't really have anything to say. I just look cute and wanted y'all to see it, so here I am.
Gio.
Billy. Oh my goodness.
What?
What have you been doing with the diaper cream, little girl?
Yeah, dude, yeah.
You want more? Bitty, bitty, bitty.
Little higher. To the right. Help.
Say mama. No, say mama.
That's my daughter.
Hey, what are you doing? You give me that towel, little girl. You give me that towel.
Bailey, say cheese. Bailey, let's see your cheese.
Mommy, Mexican.
Can you say I love you, Daddy? What? Can you say I love you, Daddy?
Here I come, Mama. Here I come. Here I come. Here I come.
Alright, now do this. Do that. Hear it. You can't quite.
You want to hold it?
Kinley, look at mommy. You smile.
Don't touch his eye. Oh.
It's okay. It's okay, buddy. You don't have to cry when he cries, okay?
Talking to your brother?
Hey.
Row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream.
Tadinha, hein? Amostradinha, hein? Eu gosto é assim. Cadê a linguinha?
Doing something to you.
Oh, you don't like that?
I know. She's got an older sister. Knock her down harder than that.